Did you know that skipping your circuit training routine can impact both your fitness and digestive health? Watch to discover the surprising connection. Research shows that consistent circuit training does more than just boost your cardiovascular fitness. It's a powerful catalyst for improved gut health and digestion. When you engage in strategic 20-minute circuit sessions, your body experiences a dual benefit: enhanced VO2max for better endurance, and increased gut motility for smoother digestion. The key lies in alternating between high and low intensity exercises, creating a perfect storm of health benefits even with a busy schedule. Health trend analysis reveals that participants who maintain regular circuit training 3 times weekly see a 15% improvement in digestive efficiency and a significant boost in aerobic capacity within just 8 weeks. The secret is planning precise sessions that combine bodyweight exercises, resistance training and cardio bursts in a structured sequence. Want to transform your health with just 20 minutes a day? Drop a comment with your biggest scheduling challenge.